Today we'll discuss about chart in Excel. In this chapter, we'll study about significance and understanding of charts. Second, various elements of a chart, various chart types, steps to create and edit a chart. First three topic is based on the theory of the chapter, and last is based on practical of the chapter. So basically, you already know what is the chart. We have already represented so many data in bar graph, as well as we have represented data according to spectrograph. Okay, so it is quite easy for you to understand why we need to record our data in charts. So in this chapter we'll study about different charts such as bar graph, histogram, double bar graph, and pie chart. All these type of charts we will discuss in this chapter. So basically, first I'm going to start with significance of charts. So what is the significance? In the Microsoft Excel, you can represent data graphically in the form of charts. Okay. So what are the data you have recorded? If we represent our data in bar graph or in such type of charts, so our data can easily interpret or it is easy to understand. Also, it looks very good. Am I correct? So to represent our data more interesting and to understand it in easy manner, we use charts. This is an important feature as it helps to make an information simpler. So if we understand about the chart, to understand chart, here we have given one example in which there are total 4 students who names are Ishi, UV, Charu and Shalini who get marks in math, science and English. Okay. So here we have given Ishi scored 67 marks in mathematics, 50 marks in science and 19 marks in English, whereas UV scored 23 marks in mathematics, 78 marks in science and 56 marks in English. Charu scored 19 marks in mathematics, 65 marks in science, 87 marks in English. Shalini got 43 marks in maths, 50 marks in science and 55 marks in English. Basically, if I'll represent this table to you, so it is quite boring, and maybe some of you will not notice this. What is this? What is given in this table? So, if in place of this table, I will show you like this, so you can easily understand here. Marks scored in all subjects by each student. So, Ishi scored 67 marks in maths, and it is 30 marks in science and 19 marks in English. Okay, sorry, 50 marks in science and 19 marks in English. So here we can see the performance of students in different subjects. And in the second graph, it is represented that in which subject who scored well and who scored least. So these are two different charts, and based on this, we are analyzing two different informations. So like this, we can represent our data, which is quite easier, interested, and very simple to understand. Now, what are the elements of charts? So, in the chart, you can see this is a simple data, but we have represented our data line in such a manner. So, basically, there are two lines, one and two, and these two lines represent two kinds of data, and these lines are known as horizontal line is known as x-axis and vertical line is known as y-axis, and in there these are known as bars, which you can say as data. Okay. And this is our chart title. What is chart title? Here we are comparing the marks. So this becomes our chart title, and here we have bars in three different colors who shows the marks of the students in mathematics. So blue represented to the Ishi, red represented to the Charu, and green represented to the Shalini. And these information are known as legends. So there is a question you have to understand. There is a question given. What are legends? So in that you can easily give this answer. What are legends? So legends are the information about the bars or our data. Legends are used to represent data studies. Okay. So first we will study about data series. The data series is a group of related values like all data values in a row or column of the data sheet. If you talk about chart title as the name suggests gives you an idea about the topic of the chart. X, Y-axis shows the value of plotted data points. This is called value axis. If you talk about x-axis, the x-axis generally shows the category of plotted data. This is also called the category axis. The category axis becomes a time scale axis when the axis is set to date or time axis. Now legends I already explained you. It represents the data series. The legends are associated with a pattern of color which is associated with the series and place on the chart. Now various chart types. So basically here we have column chart, line chart, pie chart and bar chart. Okay. So what are column charts? This is column chart. Okay. So what do you understand by the column? This is known as column, the horizontal bars which lines together. See here in this with three columns we can understand three data. Yes or no? This is the marks of Ishi in mathematics, this is the marks of Charu in mathematics, this is the marks of Shalini in mathematics. So such kind of graph is known as column chart. In chart, categories are typically organized along the horizontal axis and values along with the vertical axis, or you can say y-axis. Line chart, this is known as line chart. Okay, line chart shows a trend in a data equal intervals. Line charts are useful for depositing the value change in a value over a period of time. So with the help of line chart, we can easily understand when our data goes to the downwards and upward. Okay. Pie chart. A pie chart shows the proportional size of the item included in a single data series. It shows the proportional size. Proportional. These are the proportion. It means the complete is of 360 degree and how much proportion is divided to the particular topic and particular observation. Okay. So this is Nokia. The market share of Nokia is this much, 52% out of 100. Sony Ericsson is 23% and Samsung is 21%. Maybe hardly you know about the Sony Ericsson. Bar chart. Bar charts are very similar to column chart that only difference in the bar are horizontal. So basically bar chart we are representing in the horizontal manner. If you talk about the column chart, it is representing as vertical. This is the only difference between the bar chart and the column chart. Both are same. Now we will discuss about steps to create charts. So how you will create chart? Let I show you. Open MS Excel. Here I am writing name of students, scholars name, English, Hindi, and mathematics. I am drawing one table. Scholar's name Angar, who scored 98 marks in English, 97 marks in Hindi, and 100 marks in mathematics. Another name Rajini, who scored 33 marks in English, 36 marks in Hindi, and 27 marks in mathematics. Next, Sushil, who got 67 marks in English, 58 marks in Hindi, 97 marks in mathematics. Another name, Zishan, he got 82 marks in English, 85 marks in Hindi, and 88 marks in mathematics. So here we are going to represent the marks of the student in bar graph. Okay. So what is the first step given? See, select the data which I already selected. Click on the insert tab and click on the chart tab. Okay. First we'll follow the same step. Here we have selected the data, then insert, and here we have different charts. This is column chart, this is bar graph, this is line chart, this is area chart, this is combo chart. So many charts are there. Here we have a pie chart and donut chart and insert scattered bubble chart. Okay, so here we have studied about the column chart, bar chart, line chart and pie chart. So if you want to represent this data on column chart, first you click on in column chart. Either you want to represent your data in 2D columns or 3D columns, that is your wish. And here we have more options in which you will get some more different properties of these charts, designs of charts you can see. Okay. So first select whole data, go to insert and select the chart. So I have selected this chart. So we have represented the data on chart like this. Here we have designs. You can any of this design which you like. Okay. Here we have so many designs. If you want to represent some different types of chart, so let us take bar chart. So this is bar chart. If you want to represent it in line chart and spectrograph. I can say sorry pie chart. This is pie chart. Okay. What do you need to do? First you select your data, then afterward you can easily represent your data. Now after that, next topic, how to change the subtitle of your chart. Okay, how to change subtitle of your chart. So same thing, select your data, insert, and I have selected this chart. So in the subtitle of the chart, it is one chart title. Click on this. Once again, I am showing you. Here, go to chart title. Once you click on this. So what is this? student marks. Okay, so like in this manner you can change your subtitle of chart.